Water, drink water. I did before. Okay, I need my medicine. it was not here. Where's the medicine? Alright, we got 2 more laps. Run! My dog liked to running, doing a sprint in this little small thing. Oh my god. That would be fun. I slept for 3 hours after getting fucked up last night. What happened? Tell us about it. You're tired. I'm having coffee running on 3 hours of sleep. Damn. Oh. That was so cool. I need some warmness, right? Need more feet. I don't have feet. Stop it. Can you guys see me? I don't know why. I hope I'm not lagging for you guys, but like on my screen, it's like, you know? So it's just my concern. Nice butt. Thanks. To be honest, for the past 5 days, oh my god, I can't see myself. Okay. For the past 5 days, yeah, my ass fat, right? My ass wasn't fat, but like, it was bigger. Not with this big, but you know, because of workout. I'm so mad at myself. I got lipstick stand on my passport. I think I need a new one. Hell no. That's nice. I can see clearly now through the rainbows. Booty still looking good. You guys, thank you. I post a video of me stripping on my girlfriend. And by the way, it went viral, 500,000 views now. I posted like 2 days ago. Oh my god, people think I'm lesbian. You know, you see, I blame it on Instagram. Alright, why? Because Instagram only boosts the content of people that pervert. You know what I mean? When it's sexy, when it's like pervert, they boost that shit, you know? So I don't understand, but it's okay. It's just insane, you know? Because I post something else before, right? And then it doesn't go viral because I post my